What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. If you guys want to make better gains, head right over to the student program and get signed up. Links are below and above. And if you guys want the little additive edge in the price action, be sure to follow me on my socials. I literally change the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can really help you guys get some better gains and some better entries. And for those of you who actually want to meet me, I will be at a Bitcoin convention in April. That'll be 6th through 9th. Definitely get your tickets as soon as you can, guys. And if you haven't followed me on my other socials, definitely follow them, guys. I do pertinent information, guys, you just can't miss. Wanted to go over a few different coins today, including Bitcoin, Electroneum, and Luna. Definitely some amazing projects, a lot of potential, huge gains coming our way in this super cycle, guys. We have a lot to go over today. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and guys, let's dive right into the price action. Alright guys, let's start with Bitcoin here. Definitely some very textbook stuff happening, and man, nice change right up into this movement, guys. I mean, you guys saw me change my eyes to green right here, changed them back to red right over here, a little bit of blue right here, guys. If you guys are just getting the gist, follow me on Twitter. I really just give it away right there with even just price calls. Moreover, guys, lots of patterns and patterns within that played out very nicely. For instance, in this one, we had a brief moment of oversold territory, which bounced right off the 200 on the 1 hour. And then right here, a brief moment of oversold territory, which actually formed more of this ascending wedge pattern. And guys, just for transparency, how did I know this pattern was ending? How did I know to switch my eyes? Well, the moments of overbought territory there, and notice a nice barbell theory playing out very smoothly right here. Okay, easy textbook stuff, and if you're in my program, you guys are all making these gains very easily, guys. It's that simple. And now kind of what we're watching for, guys, just another pattern to form out here. Like for instance, we had a bear flag right in here. Okay, brief moments of oversold again. You guys get the idea, just some very easy stuff happening over the last 24 hours. Okay, that broke right down. We could be getting that same kind of thing again, another possible bear flag, or we're going to kind of move to the right a little bit and form a inverse Bart Simpson. Okay, this is really all we have to work with right now, with a brief moment of oversold territory. And guys, the reason I say it like a brief moment is because we really shot right back up very quickly, and notice the stock being unloaded, and it still ended up consolidating and moving to the right up here. Notice we have the volume spike moving up. That means we're going to get a decrease in volume, which means probably more move to the right and eventually another move. Now what would make sense, since we have a lot of static and polar support here, is that worst case scenario kind of bounce back down and then start to bounce back up. But it'll probably do something moving to the side and then start to shoot back up, like an inverse Bart Simpson right here. Okay, it's actually what I'm anticipating, but you actually have to play the indications to get this one to come in. So what I would like to use in this moment is the stock in combination with the 7, the 20, and the 55, as well as volume. And another one that you could also use would be the Bollinger Bands. Just look for those oversold moments, and if you get one, any bit of this pattern, for instance, you get another moment like that, go for that nice quick long. Watch for a quick rebound as it retests the 7 and the 20, and if it breaks those and starts to retest the 55, you're probably in good shape. Something I always like to say is that when we get a continuation movement, it means a minimal breaking of the 55, obviously the 100 and the 200 after that. Okay, guys? So that's exactly what I'm anticipating for Bitcoin. The thing I'm afraid of is this turns into like a head and shoulders pet, and then we get a massive breakdown down here, and then the target could be much lower, measured from the top down to the major point of support, guys. Very textbook stuff, but I think we have a lot more bullish favor right now. I was actually anticipating an early Christmas gift, and yeah, we got kind of a nice little pump up to 52. But guys, that's not enough. We need a little bit more. And as I've always said, the longer it takes for this super cycle to really play out, we're going to see much higher tops. So to be honest, guys, my bags are continuously being packed all the time. Whenever I get any more extra money, it goes right into cryptocurrency, as it should. I mean, why would you not be investing in the future of money? They call fiat dirty money for a reason, guys. It really is. It is worth less than nothing. Cryptocurrency can avail you guys massive percents. I'm not going to put a number on it because, to be honest, guys, Bitcoin's been up, million+% since its creation, and to be honest, it's just getting started. Bitcoin will easily be worth $1 million in my lifetime. That is a guarantee, unless something overtakes it and changes the course that we are on. Okay, right now Bitcoin does lead the pack. So guys, let's just also zoom out to see what we're working with here. Now in general, guys, we've been walking down. This could be our first walk up. Let's see if we start to walk up again, or we retest the support and hopefully get a nice bounce, guys. But if we break that support, I would be very surprised if we don't just continue down to what was polar resistance and retest that right down here, guys. So that's exactly what I'm looking at in the Bitcoin price, guys. Play those smaller patterns. If the resistance is broken, play along. If support is broken, play a nice little short. Now I want to jump right over to Electroneum. A lot of the Electroneum crew very worried right now, okay? I'll be very transparent. And for many reasons, guys, we've had some breaking down past a major support right here. So a lot of people very worried right now. We've had a total flipping of the EMAs. For instance, we take off all the patterns. You can clearly see we've been trending down, geez, since the 15th of last month. Okay, we were at 0.018. Now we're at 0.019. We're almost cut in half. That's basically a 50% from there. Now, guys, yeah, I did take some profits around 4 cents, very little. I am riding a lot of free Electroneum. Just for transparency, I did actually do a buy right here, so I'm a little negative on that one. But again, guys, more volume coming into the market. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a bounce and retest these EMAs here and hopefully get out of the woods, okay? The reality with this project is it's a very good project, okay? They've been restaffing, I believe, for the last 6 months easily. That's going to put a little down on the coin if things are having trouble on the internal side. That is not confirmed, guys. That's just I applied to them a long time ago just to kind of see what they were doing hiring-wise, and they were shooting me emails to, for positions. So in essence, they're restaffing. They're going through a lot of stuff. Lots of news to be had with Electroneum over the next few months, guys. Do your homework there. And I really think this coin is going to have much higher times. But remember what I said. We must start to walk up. We're still walking down. We need to start to walk up and retest the reverse pressure right here. As soon as that can actually happen, guys, we can start to think, hey, maybe we're out of the woods, okay? And honestly, guys, when that happens, we'll be breaking and retesting these resistance very quickly. Okay, we'll get a lot of bullish continuation movements. We'll have the EMAs being flipped. Okay, play those patterns and the patterns and indication plays to make that a reality then. Okay, guys? That's exactly what I'm looking at for Electroneum. Just an amazing, amazing project, okay? And I really think if you guys are doing buys right around here or in here, you're going to be in good shape very quickly, okay? So, guys, I know the fear is up. What do we do when the fear is up? We put our money where our mouth is and buy it, okay? Buy the dip, okay? That's what I'll be doing. If we get even a pinch lower, I will buy some more, okay, guys? That's my plan right now. Let's go over to Luna. I have to find this one. Give me a second here, guys. Here we go. Now, guys, the reason I'm bringing this one up today is because a lot of people are asking about it, okay? Definitely an amazing project. And for those of you who are wondering, I did do some scooping back here. Thanks, Ray. You know who you are. Congratulations on your gains, man. I've been making some good gains too right here. So amazing, amazing times. More people did some accumulation here around the 200. And guys, just for transparency, I'm going to be doing some accumulating right now. Okay, right around $85. Now, yes, we could easily retest around the 200. That's okay. So I'll buy a little bit more. I'm not going to use my whole bag size that I have left in cash to actually scoop all this up. I'm just going to buy, 40% of it or so, and then maybe get a little bit more. Now, guys, just remember, I am very all in already. So this is, just like my next earnings coming in, thousands. But either way, I'm only putting what I can afford to lose, which, guys, I'm going to be honest, I'm very all in crypto for a reason. I believe there's no chance in many of these coins really failing, and especially ones like Luna. So amazing times. And guys, just for transparency, if you miss buys, it's pumping, it's pumping, it's pumping. And yes, guys, this needs to be corrected a little bit. Let me just fix this for you here, guys. Brief moments oversold, brief moments overbought. Notice the indication play right at the breakout, guys. I mean, textbook stuff. We could be forming another descending wedge right now, or a chain. And guys, play that accordingly. Lots of good movements here. But guys, just in simplicity, look for dip buys around the 100 and the 200 on the 4 hour. Okay, guys, that will avail you guys some really quick, easy profits. Oh, man, especially if notice the volume dipping down here. Okay, as that dips down, we'll retest. We'll probably get a nice break. And if not, we'll retest down here and get a nice break. Okay, notice we only went oversold a few times here and then continued to grind up. I mean, this coin could easily break over $100 again and then surpass that point by 20-30%, just like previous peaks. Okay, guys, notice that from this peak to this peak, I mean, that's 40%. Go to the next one, we're talking 30%. I imagine the next one will be 20% minimally. Okay, so keep your eyes open for that, guys. That's exactly how I'd be playing Luna, and just an amazing project if you guys are just finding it definitely a lot of research to be doing on this one. And notice on the daily, we're about to get loaded up. So I'm anticipating a retest of the 20 on the daily, and then a bounce, and then an even higher high. This coin's going places, guys. Definitely make sure your bags are packed. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. Just some incredible times in Zion and the student program. And guys, soon to be IO. So many cool things going on. And if you guys haven't seen the new Matrix movie, definitely something you guys have to check out. But Zion has evolved and will soon be IO. So some very, very cool things. And guys, just for transparency, if you guys aren't making phenomenal gains that are changing your life, man, I remember I traded for 10, 15 years just making nothing. And now that I've found leverage in crypto, I mean, the gains I get are actually unbelievable. I remember the biggest gain I ever got, uncashed out, of course, was 1.6 million in a month. And guys, that's crazy. Like I never thought I'd even have $1 million. And to make something like that in such a short period of time with just so much more potential to make more. I mean, there's one student for sure. I'd be very disappointed in him if he didn't hit $1 billion on his own someday. All right, and he's going to. And guys, yet I'm looking towards 100 million and $1 billion someday myself. It's just an inevitability at this point. When you know how to read the technicals and you have some capital growing, you can keep extrapolating your wealth, and that's what makes it all very, very exciting, guys. So just keep grinding away, keep trying to absorb even through YouTube, and if you're not able to replicate and make some serious, like if you're not making $1 million a year, you probably want to join the program. Okay, guys, it's something that you should just do for yourself. And not only that, but you'll see a lot of people in your life start coming to you for information. I'm just going to be transparent, guys. A very good feeling. I cannot express enough. Just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.